that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch.
Hey guys, so today I'm at the park. Beautiful weather out. I'm with my friends. And today I'm going to record a little workout video for you guys. Just doing some basic workouts because I'm trying to start working out more. So yeah, I got my Victoria's Secret shirt on. I got this a while ago. It's a long sleeve. I'm kind of hot. Then I got these like reflector, like neon shorts on. Got these Walmart. Don't sleep on Walmart. Okay. And then I just got some. Oh, I'm cursing so much. I just got some Nikes on. And my hair's up in a bun. My sunglasses are from Sunglass Spot. Lashes is White Blood Cell from my lash line. And I got my gloss on. You already know. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is some jumping jacks. Are you ready? Woo! So I should probably put my knee brace on because my knee is so messed up, but I'm not going to. So we're just gonna stretch our knee out a little bit and we're gonna go. Now, that was 2 sets of 10. Obviously, you can modify this to what works best for you. But right now, we're just doing like a beginner's workout. So we're taking it real light. As the series progresses, then the workout will get more intense. Okay, guys, so now we're going to do some basic stretches. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna touch our toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get some butt kicks. Ready, ladies? Go. My friends don't want to work out with me. They're just staring at me working out. All right, guys. So now, guys, we're going to be doing some butt kicks. So you're going to kick up and you're going to, like, try to hit your butt. So, like, that. But you have to go, like, faster. So don't go, like, slow like this. I mean, you can if you want, like, or you can kind of go, like, do it at whatever pace you want. So we're going to start going just slow, making sure we get our kicks. You want to kick your butt. My knee can't really bend it like that. But, and then we're going to pick up the pace, and we're going to go. So that's how we're going to do our butt kicks. Do you think my friends will join me in my workout video? I don't think so. Okay, guys, now we're going to be doing some squats. I have my resistant band on. I got these from Amazon, and it came with a bag full of them. And the one I have on is called Light. So I'll put those in the link below. And we're going to do some squats. So when you do your squats, you should try to put your butt out and go down like you're sitting in a chair. You don't want to just be like that. Like, so you need to push your butt out and go down like kind of smooth. So like out and down. But don't make it like, you gotta go like smooth. Like, my knee is so unbalanced while doing this.
Why everybody want to come here now?
And that's our squat. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna do some lunges. I almost fell because this is my bad knee. And then if you want to get really intense, you can jump in and out of the squat. So you go like that. I can't do that because my knee is really bad. So you can do like 30 seconds hold and then switch your position. It's really up to you. You have to pace it at your own pace. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video. It's just some simple workouts. As we are in quarantine, we cannot go to the gym, and you still want to get active and fit, you can do these simple workouts. I don't really work out. I just do like the basic, like running, jogging, and like stuff like that to stay fit. So I just wanted to give you guys a little example of what you could do. Like, it doesn't take long. Literally, this video is under 10 minutes. You could do this every single day, especially the weather's getting nice. Like right now, I'm hot. I'm not out of breath because I'm tired. I'm out of breath because I'm hot. I'm hot. I'm wearing a long sleeve. I'm wearing black. I'm hot. Okay, bye guys. See you next time.